If you make more money than your dad did at your age, why does your life feel harder? This isn't motivation, it's an explanation. You've been told the same things for years. Stop buying lattes, cancel subscriptions, work harder, blame inflation, just tighten the belt. That story exists to keep the pressure on you instead of on what actually changed. Remember this year, 1973. That's when the rules start to shift. American productivity, the value workers create per hour, begins to rise. Year after year, wages don't. They stall. The economy moves forward. Your paycheck doesn't. Same effort, same grind. Less progress. Your work still matters. It just isn't rewarded the way it used to be. Here's a quick test. Don't skip it. Think about your rent, your health insurance, your car payment, or your commute. Add those up. In 1970, those basics took about 30% of the average paycheck. Today, they take over 60%. This isn't a budgeting problem. It's a math problem. And the math changed. No politician is coming to fix that. There's something else no one says out loud. Men are taught to work hard, build value, and provide. You did that. You're doing that. But at some point, working harder stopped moving the needle and no one warned you. You didn't lose discipline. You lost leverage. And leverage is never given back voluntarily. The game changed. The scoreboard didn't. So you're left wondering why doing everything right still feels like falling behind. Then you open Instagram or LinkedIn, people your age buying homes, taking vacations, looking like they figured it out. Here's what you don't see. 2 incomes, help from parents, debt that lasts a decade. You're comparing one paycheck to a system that now needs 2 just to function. Most men don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they're using outdated strategies. You're not behind. You're operating inside a different reality than the one you were promised. 1 income could buy a home and raise a family in 1975. 2 incomes struggle to cover rent in 2025. So what actually happened? The economy shifted from rewarding work to rewarding ownership. If you own assets, property, stocks, businesses, you gain ground. If you rely only on wages, you stay in place. That's not ideology, that's structure. And once you understand it, you can't unsee it. Now here's the part most videos won't tell you. Complaining won't fix this. And working harder by itself won't either. Because this system doesn't reward effort, it rewards position. Where you stand matters more than how hard you push. For decades, men were trained for a game that no longer exists. Trade time for stability, effort for progress, loyalty for security. That contract is gone. So the real question isn't, why is this happening to me? The real question is, what game am I actually in now? Because once the rules change, the worst move is pretending they didn't. Some people adapt, some people get angry, most people stay confused. This channel is for the first group. If you want comfort, there are plenty of places for that. If you want clarity, you're in the right one.